Yeah. There you go.
There you go. Thank you.
You're welcome. Anyways, what is up? It's your most favorite Fauna fan, known as Zach. Hashtag I'm a jukebox hero. Back with this video, and today I will be talking about a special announcement. Before I get into this, I'll pause this video for a moment. Keep it up, my bros. Keep on subscribing. I have 180 subscribers. Keep this up. Let's get straight into this. Did you see my previous video? The female black widow spider video? If you saw that, let me know down in the comment section below. How was it? Did you survive that video? So I know that you have the fear of spiders, arachnophobia, but did you survive through that video? Let me know down in the comment section below. Anyways, today I have a special announcement. I have 180 subscribers, which means that's 20 away. That's pretty good. Nice one, Dad. Anyways, I have 180 subscribers. Say shrimp and fish, okay? Anyways, I have 180 subscribers. 20 away from 200 subscribers. I'm getting really, really close. Keep up the good work. Keep up the keep up the good work. My boys and girls. Anyway, yeah. You know why? Because going to Lowe's supermarket, want to reach or surpass 200 subscribers. My dad is gonna, my mom or my dad or my mom is gonna be taking me up there. My dad is, and I'll be making a video about Lowe's supermarket. Yeah. And once I make a video about Lowe's supermarket, I have the most special thing, the most special announcement ever. Once I have 200 subscribers about Lowe's supermarket, you know, when I make a video up there. Anyways, yeah. And then Europe, the Final Countdown remix, release date is June 3rd, 2021. Hopefully, you can keep an eye out for that. Yeah, the pool stuff. Anyways, I know, look at that. It's so sunny outside. But it's very, very soon. It's gonna be fall. And after fall is winter. So first, coming up is Halloween and Christmas. And most girls are like, okay, don't go too far, man. But Christmas is not here yet. I know that, but Christmas is on December 25th. Homecoming is on October 15th or October 18th up at the school. And Halloween's on October 31st. And it's Alex's birthday. Yeah, he's gonna be, I cannot tell the age. I'm sorry. Anyways, yeah. Electricity, football, sports. This is what my dad's shit says. Electrifying football. Hold on. Electrifying football. Sport can shock. Can I show that? Okay. Said no. Oh yeah. Something. I don't know. Anyways. Again, guys, my boys and girls, keep up the good work. And that. Anyways, More pool stuff. Yeah, we're taking our pool down because very, very soon it's going to be turning to fall. It's going to be rain, snow, wind, thunderstorms. It's going to be insane. I don't know if there's going to be any thunderstorms, but only one time I was up at Camp Royal Lock-In this year, and I was spending the night with the trees group up in Camp Royal Lock-In, and I saw like a thunderstorm, was like, whoa, what the? This is insane. There's like a close-up thunderstorm. It's like a severe thunderstorm. It was awesome. And the lightning bolts were like purple or lightning bolts or white lightning bolts. But the thunderstorms have been very, very insane this year. I know. Did you see any severe thunderstorms this year? Let me know down in the comment section below. Anyways, hopefully you enjoyed this video. Anyways, hopefully you enjoyed this video. Hold up. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. The credits, the comments, and the outro of this video. CCO, my name is Zach, known as your most favorite Fauna fan. Catch you later. In the next video. Peace! Oh, wow. Hold up. Put that back on. Good Lord. Alright, anyways, catch you later. In the next video. Okay. Anyways, catch you later in the next video. Pieces to the Reese's yo, known as chocolate yo. In the Reese's, on the chocolates. And peace out, homies.